The first step is always heavy. Have you ever tried to carry something heavy when your body felt weak? At first, the weight feels impossible. Your hands shake, your back hurts, and your mind tells you to stop. Life works the same way. When you begin something new, learning English, building a business, or changing your habits, it feels unbearable. The first step is always the hardest because you carry not only the weight of action but also the weight of fear. Yet, that first lift makes you stronger. Each time you try again, the same weight feels lighter. Effort, not talent, is what slowly builds power. Small struggles, big muscles. Imagine someone lifting a small dumbbell every day. At first, it looks too light to matter. But week after week, their arms grow stronger. Struggles in life work in the same way. When you practice speaking English, maybe you only manage one short sentence today. It feels small, almost useless. But tomorrow, you add another sentence. Over time, your skill grows like a muscle. Strength does not appear in a single day. It grows from small battles that look unimportant but secretly change you. Pain is proof of growth. People fear pain. But pain is not always an enemy. Think of sore muscles after a workout. That pain means your body is rebuilding itself stronger than before. In life, emotional pain also carries the same message. When you fail in front of others, when you feel embarrassed speaking broken English, when your plan collapses, those moments sting. But they are not signs of weakness. They are proof that you are growing beyond your old limits. The harder you try, the more pain you may feel, but that pain is only a sign that you are becoming someone new. Fear weakens, effort strengthens. Fear whispers that you cannot do it. Fear tells you not to try because failure will hurt. But fear is a liar. The truth is, the more effort you give, the stronger you become. Every attempt is like a brick placed in the wall of your character. Maybe your English still sounds broken today. Maybe you hesitate before speaking. But every effort, every word spoken, every lesson practiced is a brick. Over time, the wall grows taller, stronger, unshakable. You do not defeat fear by waiting until you feel ready. You defeat fear by trying, again and again, until strength replaces it. Effort turns weakness into power. A weak person who tries every day can become powerful. A shy person who speaks one sentence daily can become fluent. A poor person who works patiently can create wealth. Weakness is not permanent, it is only the starting point. Every hero you admire once began as a beginner. Their strength was not given. It was built, brick by brick, day by day. That same path is open to you. The harder you try, the stronger you get, until one day you look back and realize your old weakness has become your greatest power. Struggle creates unseen strength. Think of a tree standing against the wind. The stronger the storm, the deeper its roots grow underground. Your struggles are the same. People cannot always see the strength you are building inside. They may only see you failing tests, stumbling over English words, or losing small battles. But beneath the surface, your roots are digging deep. You are creating a foundation no one can take away. One day, that hidden strength will show itself in ways that even surprise you. The harder you try, the stronger those roots grow. Falling teaches balance. A child learning to walk does not succeed the first time. They fall again and again, sometimes even hitting the ground hard. But with every fall, their body learns balance. Life is no different. Every time you fail, you gain balance. You understand what does not work, you adjust your steps, and you rise stronger. Failure is not the end, it is part of training. The harder you try, even after falling, the better your balance in life becomes. Effort builds confidence, not perfection. Many people wait until they feel confident before they try. But that is the wrong way. Confidence does not come first. Effort comes first, and confidence grows as a reward. The first time you speak English, your voice may shake. The second time, you pause less. The third time, your words flow more easily. Each effort is a deposit into your confidence bank. Over time, you no longer fear mistakes, because effort has built a strong shield inside you. Sweat is the price of strength. Strength never comes for free. Just as athletes pay with sweat in the gym, you must also pay with effort in your journey. Sweat may mean hours of practice, endless repetition, or silent nights of doubt. But sweat is not wasted, it is an investment. Every drop turns into progress. Every sacrifice creates a reward. If you pay the price, strength will be yours. The harder you try, the stronger you get, because sweat always turns into power. Persistence beats talent. Talent shines bright at the beginning, but persistence lasts until the end. Many talented people quit when things get difficult. But the person who keeps trying, even with little talent, eventually wins. English fluency, financial freedom, personal growth, all these belong not to the most talented but to the most persistent. Each day you keep going, you prove that effort beats talent. The harder you try, the stronger you become, until persistence turns you into someone unstoppable. Strength is built in silence. Not every victory is loud. Most of your true strength is built in silence, away from applause, away from attention. When you practice in your room, when you repeat words no one hears, when you refuse to give up despite no one cheering, this is when your true power is formed. Strength does not need an audience. It grows in quiet moments, and one day it speaks for itself. The harder you try, even in silence, the stronger you get. Tomorrow rewards today's effort. Your effort today may not show results immediately, but tomorrow it will. Seeds planted in the ground take time before they grow into trees. In the same way, every word you study, every habit you build, every attempt you make is a seed. At first, it looks like nothing is changing. But in time, growth appears. Tomorrow rewards today's effort. That is why you must keep trying, because your future strength depends on today's persistence. Life will not give you strength as a gift. It demands effort, sweat, persistence, and courage. At first, you will feel weak, but with every attempt, you grow stronger. Pain will not destroy you, it will shape you. Fear will not stop you, it will push you. Failure will not end you, it will teach you. The harder you try, the stronger you get until one day you realize that the strength you were searching for was inside you all along.